Hello, I need you to come here immediately.
Thank you. Thank you.
Attack!
Let's move forward courageously, boys.
You guys are here? Give me a hand. That's my responsibility.
Evil is being carried on the winds of change.
Yes! Yes!
Run, tiny babies, run!
Let's go! The hole in front is really big. You're right, it's really big. Do you want to drive? It's not good. Okay. Yeah, so bad. I'm not afraid. Me too. Let's go.
Help me! Help me!
Hello, I need your help right now.
Wait a minute. I'll come here. Let's go.
into position.
Sure, I will do it as quickly as possible. Let's go home now.
Thank you very, very much. Now comes our work.
Okay, good luck with your work.
Goodbye, girl. Be careful when you go home.
Yes! All right!
Time to go home.
Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Oh, shit!
Drop the bass!
And they're ready. Retreat!
Back off!
Enemy structures fortified.
We were in position and preparing for ambush.
Move on.
Okay, let's do.
Okay.
Everyone was in ambush position.
He'll fall into our trap? Man.
Yes! Go, go, go! Moving into position.
Goodbye!
me! Help me!
Why don't you move forward, my friend?
Ahead there is a large hole.
And now I has returned! Evil beware our elven might!
Wait a minute. I'll come right now.
Yes! Face my immortal wrath!
We still have a car that needs to be brought up. Wait in here. We will do it fast.
Go, go, go! Finally, it is done!
Okay. We were done, Commander.